everybody. This is Liz Gilbert. I am inviting you to come to Scottsdale, Arizona with me and my brother from another mother, my soul brother, Rob Bell. We are going to be teaching a weekend-long creativity course. The word course is not quite the right word for it. It's more like a festivity, a playground, a joy explosion. We want you there. You're needed there. And we have a feeling that we've got some really good, juicy stuff for you. So come and play with us. Come and be with us. Everybody's welcome. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to take it seriously. You can just come and be in the room. It's going to be light and gladsome, and we hope you'll enjoy it.
And what do you hope that people will walk away with? Like what kind of skills or tools that they can use in their everyday life?
Well, here's an example. Let's take grief. Grief means something was lost. Somebody you love is gone. A job, a relationship. So something like grief can just be, what could possibly grief have to do with imagination? But if we've lost something, if that future that we were planning on is now not going to happen, then we're going to have to imagine a new future. So there's a link between grief and imagination. You're grieving because you lost that. And if we can go all the way into the heart of that grief, what we're going to find is new possibilities. That's gone. So what's going to arise in its place? And that's a fundamental act of imagination.